Target Trading Academy.
Good afternoon, everybody. Preston Vogl here at Target Trading Academy with today's Micros Market Recap. Today is Wednesday, January 19th. It is just after 4 p.m. Eastern Time here. Oil has been closed for a while. Let's take a look at this micro oil chart here. You can see we opened gap up yet again from yesterday's range. Remember, oil is rolling over into the next contract. Settlement is tomorrow, so the last day to trade the other contract here. But it melted up today, just sitting here above the contract high. Never came back into its range or attempted to. It got to its low for the day a couple times, but just couldn't break through. Not a whole lot in oil. Gold opened inside its range from yesterday and just decided to melt up and then explode through the contract high where it just, again, continued to melt up. So it was just a rocket ship in gold today. There were some entries short in gold, but for the most part, you wanted to go with that move. Micro ES here. ES opened inside of its range from yesterday. Pretty much in the main body of yesterday's range. And then immediately just fiddled around, and we had an awesome edge hold. Yes, HV edge. Look at all those times there. Each time of those, I would say, was almost an entry. So that's a good 3-4 entries right there that were all winners. And then the sellers took charge and started to drive this thing down. They sat down in this area where we're looking right now for quite a while, building a ton of volume, and then at the end of lunch here, towards the end of the day, the sellers really kicked it in the gear and started dropping that market. So we finally got some newer lows as the market starts to settle down here. This is where we're looking like we're going to be closed. Now, Nasdaq, pretty much the same story. Let me get this back here for us. Opening up inside of pretty much the main body of yesterday's range, and then making a move upwards like the ES coming to that edge. This one not the best entry potentials today, but nonetheless the edge held. And then we had a large bar come through. I don't know why it's not Sharwin, but it came up to this edge, and then this was the one that held the most inside of yesterday's range. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 times if you took them every single time there based off of our methodology. 6, 7, all winners. And then like the ES, the afternoon just drove it down, and you'll see here we'll get back down there and then even lower. Boom, then it finally broke 30 minutes before the close. So some new lows, new contract lows for that matter, as we're in white space. Sellers are heavily in charge of the Nasdaq, but it is what it is. You can make money both long or short. Same with losing it long or short, but we got these edges that are the best in the industry. We call them high volume areas. They're based off of our methodologies for trading. We give these areas to our students each night before the next day's trading endeavor so that they can have them ready to go for their trading sessions, whether they trade at night, pre-market or a pit session. It'll be ready for them to do and to take off of our methodologies. If you're interested in finding out more information about these HVAs, where you can get them and how you can get them on your own charts, feel free to reach out to us. Remember, we are Target Trading Academy. You can find us on Facebook or go to our website at targettradingacademy.com and get in touch with a representative there. When you do, you'll quickly realize we are the #1 trading education company for a reason, and you'll see why we have so many live, profitable students in our rooms each day. We look forward to seeing you there.